Okay, today we're going to be setting up Google Analytics. The first thing that I do is I'm going to go into Google Analytics. Normally you're in this view right here, but we're going to go to the admin area. So for DigiBoost here, we are going to do whatever account you're set up in is DigiBoost, DigiBoost Second. In this case, I'm using DigiBoost Second. I'm going to create a new property here. I'm going to go check what the site name here is. In this case, it's Cite My City. So I'm going to type in Cite My City, drop in the address, and do, this is a business-related business. The time zone, I always set it to Central Time, get the tracking ID. So now that I have the tracking ID, I'm jumping up to Google Tag Manager. I'm going to create an account here. Same thing, I'm going to type in Cite My City. I'm going to continue, drop in the name here. The container is a web in this case. Great, I'm going to agree to this and then say yes. Now here I have the tag manager in the head. I'm going to go to the WordPress site. In this case, this is a generate press. So I need to go to generate press. In some cases, I'm going to need to enable the elements. In this case, I do not. I go to elements. I'm going to add a new one. I'm going to add it as a hook. Drop this in and go Google Tag Manager head. This is the script. It's in the head. The display rule is going to be to do the entire site. And then I'm going to press publish. Come back over to Google Tag Manager, copy the node script for the body tag, and then I'm going to press add new. I'm going to add a hook again, drop the node script in and go Google Tag Manager body. And here I'm going to add it before main content. Display rules is entire site. Press publish. Go back over to Tag Manager, press OK. What I need to do now is add a new tag. I'm going to configure it. Press the Google Analytics, Universal Analytics. And the page view, you leave it alone. You do add new variable. Come over to Google Analytics, copy the tracking code, drop the tracking ID there. The cookie is auto. You can change that, but in most cases you will not have to. Press save, Google Analytics. You can name this anything that you would like. I normally let the default settings go. So save, same thing, Google Analytics. Now my tags are in here. You'll see that they're added. The variable is added. I'm going to press submit, press GA added. GA added, and that's just short for Google Analytics. I say that you can do Google Analytics, add the version description. It tells you what's going on, and then I'm going to press publish. Okay, now it is published. I'm going to go over to this website, to Cite My City, go to the home page. If you have a content blocker or any sort of ad blocker, I'm going to turn it off, refresh the page. Go over to Tag Assistant. I'm going to enable it. I'm going to record. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Contact Us, check this page here, check the events, make sure this page loads all the way. Click into one of those. It's going to open a new tab in this case. I'm going to go to the home again. Just scroll, make sure it loads. I'm going to go back to Tag Assistant. I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to show the full report. And then I'm going to see what was fired, make sure everything's good. Google Analytics. Here, everything is. And then I'm coming back to here, and everything is set up now. So in here, I should be able to see that my analytics is working, one user. So this is Google Analytics all set up.